Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for CompTIA IT Fundamentals. You can download the complete list of CompTIA based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on IT fundamentals is: what is the role of a router in a network? Your answer should be: a router directs data traffic between different networks, such as connecting a local network to the internet. It uses routing tables to determine the best path for data transmission. Our next interview question is: describe the purpose of an Ethernet cable. Your answer should be: an Ethernet cable is a common type of network cable used to connect devices within a local area network (LAN) for the purpose of data transmission. Our next interview question is: what is the function of the BIOS in computer system? Your answer should be: the BIOS, that is BIOS, called Basic Input Output System, initializes and controls hardware components during the computer's startup process, facilitating communication between the operating system and hardware. Our next interview question is: how does a VPN enhance network security? Your answer should be: a VPN, that is Virtual Private Network, encrypts internet traffic, providing a secure and private connection, especially when accessing public networks, thereby enhancing network security. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of a CPU in a computer system? Your answer should be: the CPU, that is Central Processing Unit, is responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations, serving as the primary component for processing data in a computer system. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of virtualization. Your answer should be: virtualization involves creating virtual versions of computing resources such as servers, storage devices, or networks to optimize resource utilization, improve scalability, and enhance flexibility in IT environments. Our next interview question is: define the term phishing in the context of cybersecurity. Your answer should be: phishing is a cyber attack where attackers use fraudulent emails, messages, or websites to deceive individuals into divulging sensitive information such as passwords, credit card numbers, or personal details. Our next interview question is: what are cookies and how are they used in web browsing? Your answer should be: cookies are small pieces of data stored on a user's device by websites to track user activities, remember preferences, and enhance user experiences during web browsing sessions. Our next interview question is: describe the purpose of an operating system's file system. Your answer should be: the file system manages how data is stored, organized, and accessed on storage devices such as hard drives or SSDs, providing a hierarchical structure for files and directories. Our next interview question is, what is the role of a DNS server in networking? Your answer should be a DNS, that is Domain Name System Server, translates domain names into IP addresses, enabling users to access websites using human readable names instead of numerical IP addresses. If you are preparing for any CompTIA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.